Welcome to Spartan Equipment. Today we're going to be speaking about our stump buckets and our stump grapples. So we have two versions that I'd like to share with you that we offer. These are for skid steer loaders and compact track loaders. They have universal skid steer mounting interfaces on them. So to my right, we have presented our professional series stump bucket and stump grapple, and to my left is our industrial series stump bucket and stump grapple. So the stump buckets are basically self-described. They were intended initially to pry up stumps, but since their inception, they have been used for a plethora and wide variety of applications, in addition to prying up sidewall, concrete, asphalt, various jobs where prying is required, and it gives the skid steer a much better fulcrum ability to pry and pop material, and of course popping stumps up, etc. So the professional series stump bucket, you'll see, has a shorter snout on it. It's 36 inches overall in length, stem to stern, whereas the industrial series is 60 inches in overall length with a bevel. Now the bevel you'll see on the industrial series has a purpose. So it gives you more pryability and a better fulcrum pry than just the standard unit. In addition to that, the added length gives the skid steer an additional breakout force ability to be able to pry with greater force. So with that said, we make this one heavier, obviously, than this one for that reason. So this is 1/2 inch material on the sides with the serrated edges that cut up on roots. This is 3/8 material. The shanks and the teeth are identical. They're weld-on heavy-duty shanks with pin-on replaceable backhoe style teeth. And we weld the shanks, don't bolt them, because that's a much stronger grip, and you don't ever have to worry about maintaining them and the shanks coming loose and tearing the edge of the cutting edge apart. So we sell the replacement teeth, of course, in the rubber grommet lock pins, but the cutting edge steel is different as well. On the industrial series, it's a 1 inch by 8 inch piece of cutting steel. It's 3/4 inch by 6 inch on the professional series. So that's the stump buckets. Now the stump grapples are identical. Okay, that's the professional, that's the industrial. Well, what's the difference? Well, the difference is, again, the material. The overall weight of the industrial series is 425 pounds. On the professional series, it's 325 pounds. The overall length are the same at 36 inches. And the material thickness on the industrial series is 1/2 inch versus 5/16 on the professional. The cutting edge is a 1 by 8 inch cutting edge on the industrial series and a 3/4 inch by 6 inch cutting edge on the professional series. The grapple tine thickness on the industrial series is 5/8 thick versus 3/8 thick on the professional series. The mouth opening maximum at full opening is 45 inches. So very similar, but the price points are a little different. And of course, the professional series is rated for up to 65 horsepower skid steer and compact track loaders. Above 65 horsepower, you want to go industrial. We put 1/2 inch flat face couplers, come standard with the stump grapples. The hose, we have fabric protectors on the hosing to keep them from getting damaged. And as you can see, we put a diamond plate barrel cover for the rod, or for the hydraulic cylinder, I should say, to protect the hoses from getting damaged or debris coming down on them. So you can buy direct from us online at SpartanEquipment.com. I encourage you to go and shop with us online. If you have any questions, you need further advice, you can call us, you can contact us directly through our website. But again, thank you for spending a few minutes with us today, and we hope to hear from you soon.